you. Okay, stop right here. Anna, are you having fun? Yeah? Where are we? White Pass. And you're skiing with poles? Here comes Anna. This is a pretty steep little... Woo! Good! Anna, was that fun? Hey Anna, look how steep that is that you just went down. That is so steep. Good job.